So in this video I'm going to show you how to take off the stand for this monitor. The model number is GL2460T and it's a model from BenQ. Now you may want to take off this stand for shipping purposes, or you may want to wall mount it or put it on an arm. So let's flip over the unit, and what you want to be looking for is a small hole just at the top of the stand, and if you get a pen or a screwdriver and just gently press that in, and then the bottom section will slide out. And depending on how stiff it is, it might just need a little wiggle just to help it out. So this is the base off. If you're just wanting to wall mount it or put it onto an arm, then you don't really need to do anything with this any further. If you're wanting to take down this section further to make it flatter, to maybe send it to someone, then this is where I got stuck, which is the whole motivation behind the video. So if you need to collapse this down further, you'll see two small tabs just at the bottom of that little ring in the middle. You need to push these away from the sides, and then that is what is gripping the stem from the main base. And once you do that, it will click out of place, and then the two sections will come apart. And that is it. The whole thing's taken apart. In this particular model, there's no screws to undo. It's just a simple press of that little tab, pull it apart, and then the two clips at the bottom. As easy as that.